In this video, we're going to show you how to install the center console hinge repair kit on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. I'm going to lift up the center console and we're going to pop off the two covers on either side. Push the covers straight off. They're held in with these metal tabs. If you need to, you can use a plastic trim tool to get under it and help pull it off. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to remove the clip, get under it, and pop it off. Using a hammer and a punch, we're going to start to punch the pole through the center console. Get it so that it's flush with the center console. You'll be able to move it around like this. Then going on to the passenger side, using a pair of pliers, we're going to get onto the plastic piece on this side. We're going to wiggle around until we can pop it off and remove the plastic piece. It'll pop right off of the pole. Once we do that, we're able to twist the center console up and remove it. Using a hammer and a punch, we're going to finish removing the pole. Make sure that the squares are lined up. It'll pop through this first hole. Come to the other side. Twist this around until you feel it kind of lock in. And you should be able to see it inside of the center console. Either use a 1/4 inch extension and put it all the way through and then tap it out. Or I've found that this side is a lot less hard to get out and you can just pull it and remove the pole. Install the center console and get the pole started. Get it lined up. Then we're going to gently tap it through. Using a soft face hammer, tap the pole through. Keep your center console lined up and square and continue tapping the pole through. And you'll see it poking out on the driver's side. We're going to install the clip for our pole. We're going to use a 14mm socket. This will fit perfectly onto that, and it'll give you something else to push on other than just the edge. Get it lined up over. Get the socket over it. It's going to take a bit of force, but it will pop on. If you're struggling to get the clip onto the hinge, you can use a large pair of channel grip pliers and go on either side of the brackets and pull them together. And easily install your clip. Install the covers. Do the same thing on the other side. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.